Hello YouTube and eBay buyers. Here we have this 60-inch brass Hunter Original Sling Fan. It's in fairly good shape. I would probably rate it a 7 out of 10. The brass, that's where you can see from the bottom, is nice and clean. The downrod has some slight rusting to it. The canopy's nice and clean. Top of the motor is a little bit muggy. That can be cleaned up easily by whoever wins it if they feel like it. But like I said, it's not really anything unless you're going to see the top of the motor. Let's go ahead and look at the tag. There's the tag. I believe this is a 1986 model. Let's verify. I can't see. Oh, yes, 1986. And there is the top of the motor tag. Now, if you're buying this fan, be aware that this does not include the glass. I don't usually ship glass because it always has a tendency to break. If you are interested in the glass, let me know, and I can still send it, but I will be paying, charging extra because glass requires a separate box, separate packing, and it's just more time for me. So, just so you're aware. However, the fan will include the two tassels, a little porcelain thing, which is nice. The blades are in fairly good shape. One of them had a little bit of curvage to it. Which one was it? I think it's the one over there. But I've balanced it out pretty well. So let's first start with the light kit. It's the light kit. Which one's the light kit? Yeah, that's the light kit. As you see, the light fitter does work. Let's turn that off. There's a reverse switch back here. This is a reversible model. Let's go ahead and start from low speed. High, medium, low. And be aware this fan looks like it's using about a 1.5 foot downrod. You can always shorten the downrod length. Got back up all the way over here. This thing is so big. This is one of the uncommon 60-inch. These are only available through special order through Home Depot. Massive fans, but they still put up a fantastic amount of air. Low speed's very aesthetic for your winters. Let's go ahead and go to medium. And the 60-inch uses the 1.1 amp motor, so it's a lot more efficient than the older ones, even the newer ones actually. Already moving a good amount of air. Let's go ahead and go to high speed. Oh man, does that pack a punch? Like I say before, the brass is in very good shape, especially if you leave it like this and mount it somewhere high on the ceiling. This is a very good air mover, as Hunter Originals are. The blades are not in the worst shape. They're still pretty tolerable for 60 inches. And yeah, as you can hear, it runs silent, which is always a plus. Get a little bit of a side view. Like I said, this will be going on eBay next weekend, well next week. So if anyone's interested, just keep an eye out. And yeah, let's go ahead and do spin down. In the words of the great Brian Hicks, that's a big freaking fan. Honestly, it looks a lot bigger than I'm used to because of the downrod. Usually these things have a short downrod, so it doesn't look that bad. But when they have a longer downrod, you can really tell that they're quite large. Have a pretty good spin down. I'm assuming with these large blades on it. anyone buying this has any questions, please feel free to ask them to me on eBay or ask them to me here on this video, or reach out to me through my email if you would like. While I'm at take some time here, if anyone's looking for anything in particular as a special original something that I do have a little bit of a back stock of different models. Nothing too fancy like 1930s and stuff like that, but I mean I do have some extensive stuff. So I mean, let me know what you're looking for and I'll see if I have any of it, and we'll see if we can work out a deal. And there we go. Thanks for watching, guys.